1. After clicking Start Work to enter. Change the manual work to tree route. Camel import, simply select a route. 2. 4 modes are available for selection. Only the drone mode is demonstrated here. Manually mark and draw an operation route based on actual working conditions. The video demonstrates a simulated route. Click Confirm, rename the route, and save it. 3. Route parameters. Set the relative height or altitude of the waypoints. As shown in the video, -4 meters means reducing the height based on the original base value. Air route spray, off. Air point spray, on. Air point spray time, the hover spraying duration during operation. 4. Work param, allow adjustment of the pump size and flight speed. Please adjust the above settings according to actual conditions. Click on a single waypoint to modify its altitude, operation mode, and other settings. After modifying, click Upload Route. A route altitude confirmation message will pop up. Upload the task. 5. Manual obstacle avoidance is available when encountering obstacles during flight. Select a parallel point such as breakpoint or return point 1. Then click Continue. You can also use the remote controller to pause the route, return to home, or land in place. Thanks for watching.